Now, tell me. Now, suppose like this form controls will use here. So here like we can say suppose based on a month we can see the combo box here. Select this. What is the month data you can get up here? That's the reason all the form controls based on the requirement you can use the form controls. Okay. Now for the controlling we need to have the formulas also. So for this we need to use index. Okay, index formula you can use. How can you use index? So index formula. So array means list. From the selected list, okay, what is the number? Row number is this. From the selection, row number. The combo box also from the list, sequence number. That's all right. Both will sync. Now see here, August. Now see again, say September. See again September. So based on September, we get the change the value. So what you need to do here, what I do, so this as soon as number comes here, what I do, so from the list, so I'll delete this. Okay, how I'll set up. Okay, now for go to form controls, yes. So this control, this is this number, I can link number here. Okay, then give OK. Now see here, as and when if select here, automatically get number here. Then here I can say index formula. Index. So the like list maybe like in the some other sheet like I give the list of all the names for the control purpose. So here index, then what is the row number? This. Okay. Now here the VLOOKUP, whatever the give the lookup, this lookup value get from here. Okay. So instead of this, I'll select here. Okay. Now we get this. Now this I'll place here. Now see here, there's a report. Now what is the list I want here? May list. See here, May means 5,000. How will get 5,000? See here. So this is like it's beautifully can present the value. All the values through VLOOKUP or the whatever the logic will fill here everything. Okay. So this is how we can form controls based on the list. So again I am repeating, form controls combo box, get the list inside combo box. From the list we'll get the number. With this is the only thing. Okay, the number what you want, up to you selection. Okay, so up to you whatever the thing you want. Example, how can I get how can I use in the chart? Okay, now this is the list. Example, I have like chart like this. Only for this I'll give chart like this. Example, so somewhere here I'll okay. Now so this is like only for this number. Okay, now based on the chart, based on the date, I need to get chart here. So what you need to do, instead of select this normally, so I'll show separately. So I can get this here. Okay, like this I keep separately. So number. See, this is like 420. So this I chart delete it. Okay, I'll give the chart from based on this. Okay, so insert and here show the chart for this date. Okay, now based on the selection, I need to every time I cannot give the copy paste, right? So what I need to do here through combo box in give here, I can give the drop down here. So I'll go quickly. I'll show here. So form controls. So here, okay, this is cell link. Somewhere here I can give. Okay, then okay. See, I have the dates, but we don't have date, but you can have the number. Okay, so this number instead of showing, I can hide it here. But as of now, this number I can give the link here. Okay, what is the link? How can you get the link here? So here index what is this x, so this is right comma this. Okay, this I'll fix it. Now I copy this, so this I change the format number. Okay, now see here, just observe here now. Okay, now see here, so I will change the third. See see here, change, so fifth, sub, see 8. Now this I'll put here, this I'll paste here. See background, like I have a list. Now this suppose like AB. Okay, now here go to this thing, form controls. See here, here I can link. There is the link. There is a label. So just a minute. So then it's kind of, okay. Now see this series names. What you can do here, right click. So we see this, right? Form controls, chart area. No, right click, format axis. Oh, no, go here. Chart design. Chart design. Where is this? Okay, now. Good morning, Danny. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. I slept very late yesterday, about 4 o'clock, and I could not wake up. Sorry for that.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem. See here, A, B, and Z. Now see, what are the thing you can see, like chart. This is the purpose of See, otherwise, like, we can, manually need to change. How is not interesting for the user. So this is how we can use the combo box. See here, whatever thing you can use it. It started everything. Okay. Now we can see that these are the things you can format it. So here, see, fifth, beautifully you can now present it. But however you can place it, this is up to you. This number, okay, is like this. If this is directly, I can link. Otherwise, like suppose you have the months based on the index formula, you can get here like this. Index will be the number. Through number, you can get the name. The name you can get the VLOOKUP or whatever through directly from the name also you can get here. Okay, so like this. This is the combo box. Simple combo box is the list box. You can push the list into the combo box. So then through combo box you will get the number. Okay, so through number we can get the control of the data. See here, 7 means July. How you get July? From the index formula, like this cow story. I sent all the same. Did you see this? Uh, did you watch this? The video I sent. Did you get time to watch?
Cow story, Anand? Yeah. That's good.
So see, not this. I feel like this only I feel always like this is the Excel for me. Okay, so very like relate to this, link to this, always link like may I basic Excel formula like this, 100 formulas like this. Sorry to say, show again this. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is SAS
Yeah.
as this Excel. Same. Okay. So it's like a cow story for me. So example, let's see in this only. So farm controls, what farm controls do? Farm controls like get the data. This give the number. When get the number, what you need to do? Whatever you can do it. So list you can get through get the number. From the number, what you can get? So all the controls can get the data. You can get the month. Otherwise, you get the through number. I can get the straight away data here. See, I don't mention here a number. Okay. So here the data is there. So so I'm closing this. Okay. So you can see here like that only directly. I don't want the month because I'm not relating to any month. But when you can see here, so my data is there here. With the name, I can get the values here. Many suppose I have values like this. Okay. Okay. So suppose July details I can get here. So all the thing same as good as co study results. See all the details you can get here. Okay. So link it and get the values here. So this again, this I need to change number. So I can get the dynamic here. So again, what is the formula of row formula, rows formula, whatever the thing or match formula. So based on link it. So when you change here, automatically entire data will get changed here. Okay. So like this. So combo box use very much, especially for getting the data, and place combo box appropriate place. Related link you can get the keep in the background. Okay. So see here my month and name in back side I can take. See here my entire charter data behind this. So you can control it, hide it like this. But all the information is in the background. Nobody can see this, but it looks as a application like this. Okay. So that's the farm controls. But only thing think cow story you can use it. How can they control whether direct number or number with the link to this list? From this we can get the entire data related to that. Okay. So very important. Clear this combo box. Anyway, you need to practice this, a new thing for you. So please practice. You can get definitely cannot get an error, but you need to look at it. Okay, practice it. Otherwise, you cannot understand. Clear this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So please practice it. So very much important for the presentations, especially. Okay. Now, so we'll go to again now form controls. And one more form control we can see in the list. So this checkbox. Okay. So the one thing the form controls here we cannot increase the size or whatever color anything you cannot. You can use the plain only. Okay. So there is a one more thing here. But what we can do so just highlight. and color it a background so that you can see the form controls control tool properly. You cannot see font size or like form control size, especially this you cannot change it. Okay, so like this. So how many check boxes in the sheet you can create it? Okay, so checkbox based you checkbox based on like requirement. What is the selection criteria you can do it? Okay, so what is like controls here? When you check, it will true. It will give true. Here also in the end result will get. So what is the end result for this? So end result for this combo box, get the push the list into combo box, we get the number from selection number outside. Okay, like this checkbox you can check, again uncheck, check will not give true, otherwise false. This is the end result for this. Okay. How can you get this? Right click, go to the form controls. See here, these are controls. All the form controls, control thing is there. This check, uncheck, like mix, we don't worry about this. Based on this selection, it will give here. This we don't have control. You will check will come, and uncheck will come. But only thing is link. When you check, uncheck, where you will get the link here. Suppose I get the link here. Then okay. Now see, check, true is there. Suppose uncheck, false is there. This is the only result. True or false only we get. Okay. See here, true. Here, false. That's all. Now, however you want, you can do it. Think of the cost story. Okay. True or false, true logical. So what you can do whatever you want. Example, I can say, so division, say sales, purchase. Example, okay. Suppose division 1. Just randomly I can give, quickly I can show. You can link your data. I can do it. See. Very powerful combo box thing, form controls. So make use of it. Okay. Maybe 150. So this all we know. Okay. Now see sales. Now purchase that will get. Okay, sales, purchase. What I do here, I want the chart like this. Now purchase means purchase chart will get. Sales means yes, sales chart will get. Now I cannot go on the change every time. So what I need to do, I give the this letter B. I can create one more. So insert, developer here, checkbox, I can give, so like this, okay. Then name I can give, sales, the same thing, I can give the purchase also. Purchase also. Now this link, form controls, this link, I can give anywhere you want, okay. So I give link to this, okay. Okay, now see here, sales. Now this is link, then again this, form controls, link to this. Okay, now emergency, here true, false, right? This when you click this, you'll get the true here. When you get here, when you get true here, this is false. Now what we can see here, so we can control, see, when I get true, this with this true, sales, this true, false, and means purchase. So if this is true, okay, sales, then again, so I'm quickly, I'm, because like you know the logic, everything, so I'm going quickly. If this is true, so is blank. Okay. Another 10 minutes. So what I can, if this is, if this is, now see here, now see, this is true, I can purchase. So click this, and this here, sale is there. Now this I'll put here. Now see, you can tell this like beautifully, you can design a cosmetic part, you can do it. So see here, purchase, see here, no sales, whatever like entire like January to December you can give. So sales, purchase, whatever this thing, whatever you want, you can give the based on the selections. Okay, so this is like the checkbox all in result true or false. How many checkboxes you can give? You can give here. So based on the true or false, we can do whatever you want. See, true or false, what you can do? You can give the checkbox. Check means true, uncheck means false. With the true, false or true, what you want display here. The report or the chart or whatever you want, you can do it. Pure based on logic, you can continue. No, nothing. Nothing is like new here. Only thing is the control box. What it will give? Control box. You need link the cell. When you check what is the link cell, the link cell will give the result of true or false. Then from this you can Excel skill, logic skills, what you want if it's true, what you want to do if it is false. Okay, link to cow story, that's all. Clear this checkbox, nothing, only true or false, that's all. Clear this?
Yes, sir.
Please make use of it. Is very good way you can be the present here. Okay. Nothing is only true or false numbers, all that only will give, that's all, nothing else. Number or true or false, nothing will give here. See, all the combo box will give the numbers are true or false. True, P or U, all false. Whatever the number, what is the true or false, it can do. Now, numbers combo box will get a list also. Combo box here, like check box. Now here, like option box, option button. Option buttons will give the true or false. Why the difference? We'll see that. Okay. Now option button. Option button or radio button. Okay. So is checkbox understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, so it's the same logical, option buttons will get here. So option button means like only one option you can get, not many. Okay. So one option in the entire Excel sheet. So I'll color it. So suppose you have the option buttons, many. Sorry. So all the option buttons will give the only see the option buttons, difference between option buttons and checkbox. You see, I can see show the difference, then we can work on that. Okay. Now observe this link, format controls, same thing. So here control like checkbox, I linked here. Imagine I link it here. Okay. Now though three are there, see all the like checkbox, each and every checkbox cannot go and place it, link it, but by default all the option buttons only one will check, one cell will connect. Suppose what is the number 2? Number 2 means number 2 options. So these are not false. This is number. Now see here, first here. Now what is it? 1. First job option button. See second button. See third button. Okay. How many buttons are there? Suppose I can copy paste again. You can change the name, whatever the name, accordingly you can do it like this. You can rename it. So suppose I recently pasted here, say 4. So you cannot each and everything in the entire Excel sheet, how many option buttons are there? All the option buttons link to only one. Not anything, individually we can get suppose this cell I can give this, no, it is not. Even if we give the link, this see, suppose this instead of this I link to this, so all the links will be placed like see here now. This will not, this link will not work. Latest wherever the link, the button, only that cell will be linked for the all the option buttons. Previously linked it not work. Okay. One option buttons link changes, all the option buttons will be this only. Then same thing I can give here also. How can I get here? Instead of checkbox, I can give the option buttons here. Example, so I'll go here. Okay, so I'll delete all the option buttons. Okay, only two I can keep because only thing is purchase and sales. So another 1 minute. Okay, so another 1 minute is there. So I'll we'll connect later. Okay, now so option buttons. Now I'll give the idea so that I can use here. So the one option button purchases. Sales. Yes. Okay, anyway, then purchases. This link I'll give to this. Okay, now what you can give here, choose this is the number. Okay, so one means sales, we'll connect it back after disconnect, connect it back, we'll complete this. Okay, is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Anand.
I'll check, see, purchase again, score story, that's all.